watching Nerdosity.
Alright, what's up, Nerdosity? So I'm doing a cosplay. Guess what I'm doing? Claptrap. Everybody's gonna hate me after this, I know it. But, so I went to Lowe's today. I got a nice little haul for like 16 bucks of like a lot of what I need to like start this project, and everything else I think I have just milling around in my house, so it's gonna be lit. I've got this box that I am... get everything that I needed, and I think this project is going to be actually rather quick. But yeah, we got a rod because my mom said that I could have one of her things that was in the yard or whatever, but what we kind of need is some paint.
Yep.
I'll need red and blue and white.
Red, lime, blue.
Yeah. America. I'll also need to get a long-sleeved black shirt. I think I'll need black paint too. But other than that, I think that's all of that'll be all of our Walmart haul. So keep on watching. Okay, Nerdosity. So Bry is inside of Claptrap. That sounds so weird. Okay, there he is. He's cutting. Let's see. He's cutting the rod. What's up, Nerdosity? We started painting dear old Claptrap. I put on armholes if you guys didn't realize, and this is the eye that needs to be blue later on, but we started painting him yellow because... So many Googles. And I'm just shooketh. And I did this tire to put on here so it matches these ones, and I did a bit of the tire over here, and I still have rivets to do. I have to redo these because they're supposed to be white, so I just painted them white to remember. So now all of the rivets on Claptrap, or the googly eye rivets on Claptrap, are painted and on Claptrap, all of them. We've grunged them up real good, real good.
Real good.
And on the top here.
So good, so good, so good.
This is not Sweet Caroline.
Sweet.
And then my most proudest moment right here is that when I'm Claptrap and when he's Steve, and it's gonna be legit. Yep, thank you guys for watching. You've been watching Nerdosity, and I hope to see you next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see any more of my cosplay builds or anything like that. And yeah.
Heyo.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.